Oh man, I'm about to starve to death.
You know what? You should starve to death because I feel like I've been doing a lot of work and you guys have just been.
Soldier. You don't stop pointing. You keep going, even when it's tough.
Oh man, oh foolish. I'm hooked on you. Oh man.
Guys, these are painful. You're like on your way to becoming dads.
Corpse. I gotta ask you a question.
What is it?
Where did you even get an axe? I don't like how you're better at the game than me right now and you're being dumb.
Oh, would you look at the time?
Okay. You know what? That one made me puff air out of my nose.
Together, we could make a TikTok.